Folks, it's been a little while. It's time for a pizza review, and today we're at the Mellow Mushroom right here in Foley, Alabama.
You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers.
Here's a menu. Keep on shrooming. You got drinks. I'm getting a cola. I don't really care about all this stuff. Little lady might want some of this rabbit food. It is a little noisy in here. Smash burger. No, thank you. Hoagie. Not what I'm here for. Oh, here we are. Super Pep, Great White, Holy Shiitake, Pacific Rim, Mighty Meat, Veg Out, Cosmic, Funky Cute Chicken, Buffalo Chicken. Build your own. That's maybe what we're gonna do. What size pizza you want to get, little lady? Medium, large? Large. Little lady says large. Actually, I'm not going to do the build your own. I ended up going with the house special. House special features mellow red sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni, Italian sausage, honey, ham, applewood, smoked bacon, black olives, sliced mushrooms, Roma tomatoes, green peppers, and sweet onion. $30.65. Now, for the record, I've never been here. I know it's a chain restaurant, and I'm not really expecting it to be great, but I think Tony Eats Pizza had a video coming to one of these places, and I think he liked it. But then again, he has a palate of a fifth grader, he said. All right, so here it is. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Very noisy in here, but I guess that's a good thing. Because it was totally quiet. It means they ain't getting any business. Let's try this. Man, that bacon, look at that. Little lady's plate, a little bit of water on here. That's kind of a food safety hit. Doesn't stop us from eating it, using the plate. Mine's dry. Okay, little lady. Ladies first. Oh well, once again, you take too long. That's a big piece. Let's see if we can get a piece without dropping it. Come on.
That's really big.
Dig in before it gets cold. Show us your game face. She did. Told you. Oh well. Good recovery at least. We're not going to eat this whole thing. I've been watching my weight. I've been marking down every calorie, every gram of protein I eat. And this is really going to blow my calorie count out the window.
Pray with you in Jesus' name.
Amen. So here we go. How am I going to go about picking this pizza up? Kind of like that.
Wow.
There's a lot going on here.
This sounds so good.
Little lady says it's so good. did get a picture of them stretching the dough, and you could even see some of the all the pizza balls in the fruit boxes, which I appreciate that they got that out there on that counter on display. The lady that brought the pizza out wasn't our waitress, but I guess that would make her our server, right? Anyhow, I asked her some questions about this pizza. I asked her what kind of flour. She says it's a whole wheat flour. I asked how long it's been proofed. It's 72 hours proof. That is a good news. And I asked what the hydration level is. She had no clue. The little lady says very good. For me, the jury is still out.
It's not hard.
Okay, second piece. This is the piece of judgment. Well, this pizza it's very good. It is pretty much a fork and knife pizza. It's thick, it's rich in flavor, and the dough is made very nice. And it's easy to forget that this is a chain restaurant and not a mom and pop shop. Very good pizza, really.
How much pepperoni do you
Okay, I don't do them pepperonis for me. Now, for being a chain restaurant, it's the best chain restaurant pizza we've had here so far. Much better than Cece's pizza. Little lady just asked me, what's my pepperoni scale rating? I told her, hey lady, I don't do pepperoni scale ratings anymore. What if I have to? I would give this 4 pepperoni. You disagree? What do you say? It's only 5 pepperonis, little lady. As they say in the Philippines, I'm Nicole. All right. Stone baked since 1974. Mellow Mushroom. Okay, thank you. It was great.
Have a great day, thank you.
Okay, we got it all boxed up. And I do want to say, we will come back here again.